So if a Jamaican say to you, say, already, what do you get from that term? Good evening, and who do we have here today?
My name is Volson Charles.
Alright, Volson, where are you from?
IT, the Big Zo, Big Haiti.
Alright, 80, big up on yourself. So today we are doing a little culture clash. So tell me exactly what you think the term mean. Don't think about it too much, alright? So if a Jamaican say to you, say, already, what do you get from that term?
I think that term means, like, are you ready to go? You ready to get moving? Ready to have some fun, you know?
Alright, him not do so bad. Trying to get a girl, right?
Yeah.
And she tell you that she have a man already, right? What is the next pickup line? I want to see if Haitians have better lyrics than Jamaican men. What is your next pickup line?
Si chérie, vin mettre un petit glow sous comme. If you're Haitian, for the Haitians, you gonna know what that means.
What does that mean?
See you later.
I can't say that on camera.
So a Jamaican man would say if you have one man already and it feels so good, imagine if you have two. So what do you love the most about being Haitian?
What I love most about being Haitian